Welcome kids. Let's learn the word family of short vowel sound E. E says A, N says Na, E, N, N. Repeat with me. E says A, N says Na, E, N, N. E says A, N says Na, E, N, N. Z, E, N, Zen. M, E, N, men. D, E, N, den. P, E, N, pen. H, E, N, hen. T, E, N, ten. W, H, E, N, wen. K, E, N, ken. Y, E, N, yen.
What's next?
E says A, T says stir, E, T, it. Repeat with me. E says A, T says stir, E, T,
It.
E says A, T says stir, E, T, it. B, E, T, bet. P, E, T, pet. G, E, T, get. S, E, T, set. M, E, T, met. N, E, T, net. W, E, T, wet. V, E, T, wet. J, E, T, jet. Good. Write the following words in comments. Click on the bell icon for upcoming videos. Mother Phonics. Give your child lifetime love of reading and writing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.